Hi guys, welcome or welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, my name is Preeti and today is my day 4 of speaking English channel for 21 days. So guys, as you know, we are Indian, so we don't get English environment where we can convey our thought and where we can do conversation every day with front of anyone and in our family and friends. So that is why guys, I want to share my personal uh, things which I do usually and how I practicing English in my daily basis. So guys, I just create all environment by own because I know I have don't any partner to speak English, and in front of me no one no anyone who can guide me and who can talk with me. So that is why I just create all environment my own. So how I do this? So guys, if I do any work, anything, it could be anything, like which work I do usually, I'm making food and I'm going somewhere and I'm doing study and I do household chores. So I try to make sentence in English and which object I see. So I just try to know the spelling of this particular things. So later then I just try to make sentence on this particular thing. So guys, that these all techniques going to help me personally. So that is why guys I want to share with you. If you don't have any environment to speaking English, so you have to create these type of English environment by your own, because I personally do this. So right now I can convey my thought easily, though I am not fluent and I am not professional yet in this language. But uh, if you uh, if you create all environment by your own, so no one is going to stop in this journey, because many people, they have like excuses. We have not any environment, we have not any partner. So I think we should not uh, do these type of excuses, because it is not going to help us in our journey. So we should always look here and there, and we should always think positive. I can do this, and I do all things by my own, so I can be perfect in this language. So that is why guys I want to recommend you, if you want to create English environment by your own, so just which work you do in your daily basis, you go office and you which work you do, it could be anything. So you just try to create sentence and try to know the all object name in English, and later then if you know the this and that object name, so later you should try to make sentence of this particular thing. So always think in your mind in English, and once your mind get habitual, so you just don't need to any environment of English speaking. So you create this type of environment by your own. So guys, personally I do this type of practice, because wherever I go and which work I do, I just think in English, and which word I don't know, so I just search on Google Translate, and later then if I know the meaning of this particular word, so I just try to inculcate this new word in my uh, speaking journey. So guys, though I am not using very fancy word in my English, because of I have to need also inculcate new word in my speaking, like which things I want to say in front of you. So I also need to inculcate some new word and new habit in this language, because I don't use any professional word still. So I want to also use this type of word. So how this possible? We should learn something new, and don't pressurize yourself, because if you pressurize yourself do something new in any particular thing, so you must be get demotivated. So that need to do this all type of practice every day, and later then you get habitual and you create all environment by your own. So guys, that's all for today. And right now not getting something new in my mind, because I don't make any script for my video. Because if I make any script for my video, so I don't know why I'm not able to remind all script, and uh, I can't repeat my script again to again. That's why I prefer to make my video which all thoughts coming in my mind randomly I just make video about this topic. So guys, if I do any mistake here and there, so as you know, I'm also learner. So if you anyone is better than me, so please guide me. And also who are beginner in this language, so join my channel. As you can see, I already started this challenge for 21 days. So I can see that little bit change day by day, because if we do every day something new and we talk every day new topic, so I think it might helpful for me and also you. So guys, that's all for today. If this video is going to help you somewhere, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.